I came to Ball State because my brother attended Ball State. When I came in as a freshman, he was finishing up his senior year. He also did CCIM, media production. He was an audio engineer. Just knowing that this was the place to be, Ball State has the best program if you want to pursue something like video production. I think that was the biggest thing for me. Personally, I want to pursue motion graphics in my future career, and I think motion graphics with Chris Fluke has been the biggest impact for me, not only because it's what I want to pursue, but also because Chris Fluke has just been such a great impact. He's always supported me. I think it excites him that I want to pursue what he's pursued, and so we kind of just have this mutual understanding, and I talk to him all the time about pursuing that. He actually got me my current internship, which is really awesome. I'm currently in an internship right now with the Indiana Historical Society, and that's a remote job, and I'm doing motion graphics for them, which is really cool, and I've been keeping in touch with Chris Fluke about that, which is awesome, and I'll be pursuing that through the rest of the year until I graduate. I think my favorite part of being in CCIM at Ball State is just the community. I think everyone who is in CCIM or media production, like, they want to be here, and I think that's what keeps me going, is that, you know, you can find a friend around any corner. You know, you be like, oh, did you take Gateway? And they're like, oh yeah, I took Gateway. Like, everyone just, you can just talk about anything with anyone. You're not gonna feel alienated. Like, it's just one big community, and I love that. I think my time at Ball State has built me into the person I am today. I don't think I would have enjoyed college at any other college. I think since the beginning I knew it was gonna be Ball State. And if I hadn't gone to Ball State, then I wouldn't have gotten my current internship or my internship at Fort Knox, and I'm just so thankful for the connections I've made since I've been here. I would tell any freshman to just not be overwhelmed and, like, go with the punches. You know, every day is gonna be different. Every day is gonna be, you know, hard or maybe easy, but just know that, you know, you're surrounded by a community of people who love you and who want you to do the best.